Okay, welcome to my video. This is a Summit 355 FL. It's unit number 5806 and its MSRP is roughly $65,000. It's linen with clay corners, tan window and door package. We'll take a quick look around it and then I'll start a new video and we'll go in it. One thing about park models, everything in them stays in them. What you see is what you get. This has additional loft AC to keep you cool when you're up in the loft. Kids are playing there or guests are sleeping there. This is a Summit 355 FL with the loft. Howdy.
Hello.
Okay, there's a minute walk around. I'll probably do maybe a 4-minute tour inside. Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, and we're going to be looking at my brand new arrival. It's a Summit 355 FL Loft. It is linen colored with tan window and door package and clay corners and trim package. It's got lineals. One thing about park models, everything in them stays in them. So let's go have a tour of the inside. This is a 4K video, so I'm going to try to keep it short and to the point. We have a sleeper sofa. There is plank wood linoleum, which is actually PVC flooring on the entire main floor. Table and 4 chairs. There is storage underneath. In the front here, I've added a 32-inch Vizio, a sound bar, the fireplace. It actually throws out heat, and a Blu-ray DVD. Comes with all the furnishings, just like I told you. A rocker recliner. There's mini blinds on every window. You just pull them down. There's a mini blind. Kitchen. It's a functional kitchen. It's got probably nicer appliances than I got in my house. You got a stainless steel sink, 5-burner Frigidaire stove, microwave, nice big 18.5 cubic foot fridge, pantry, queen bed, nightstand and lamp. There is carpeting in the bedroom. These drawers are full extension ball bearing drawer guides. That's a nice feature. There's lights in the closets. This is hers, and over there is his. So it's the his and hers closet. Last but not least, it's the hall pantry. We'll check out the bathroom. Of course, it's a park model, so you got a house type toilet. You've got a shower and tub surround, so you can take a shower or take a bath. It's a frontline full-size shower tub surround. Got a window in the bathroom. You got a medicine cabinet in the bathroom. You have a vanity in the bathroom. Heading back out into the kitchen. There's quite a few drawers and storage cabinets in here. Show you around a little bit. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. There's a little bit of storage under the loft stairs. Couple doors there. Maybe fit some linens or something in it. Let's go check out the loft. And then that's gonna pretty much be the end of my video. Trying to keep it under 4 minutes. It's got the auxiliary air conditioner up here. That's an extra. Keep your sleepers or your kids cold. And then looking down in the front, kitchen, living room. That's it. Well, thanks for watching my video. Hello and welcome to my video. This is a Summit 355 FL Loft. It's quite the popular trailer, and it's not at the high end of the spectrum. MSRP on this trailer comes in about $65, and I'm going to give you a quick video tour of the inside. So anyhow, you got the fireplace, the sound bar, the swivel rocker recliner, hide-to-bed sofa, table and 4 chairs with storage underneath, plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor with carpet in the bedroom, stairs, and loft only. Stainless steel double basin sink, all ball bearing full extension drawer guides, sound bar, TV, cabinetry, 5-burner stove, microwave oven, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, plenty of pantry space. Plenty of pantry space. See the pantry in the hall. Lots of room in the bedroom. Got a queen bed, end table, lamp, nightstand lamp. You've got lights in the closet. Your his and hers wardrobe. Lights in both sides. Again, ball bearing full extension drawer guides. Load them up. Don't got to worry about breaking your drawers. There's carpet in the bedroom and the loft and the stairs only. So let's check out the bathroom right quick and then we'll go in the loft. Bathroom has a vanity, house type toilet, window, shower, and a tub. It's got a nice, see how this shower curtain bows out? Gives you a lot more space in the shower. See how it's bowing out at the top? There's your medicine cabinet. Storage underneath. House type toilet. Back out in the kitchen. Now we're going to do the loft, and that'll be the end of it. This is the interior video tour of the Summit 355 FL Loft. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep everybody cool up here. And the loft covers roughly 1/2 of the trailer. So you got about a 200 square foot loft there. Thanks for looking at my video. I'm Kelly. This is the Summit 355 FL Loft.